All right, hey again, everybody. I'm really doing some tutorials today. Here's the deal. I want to talk to you about how automation and scheduling can save your life. So listen to me. You see me do a lot of posts. There are a lot of posts that I do live. That's true. But there are a ton of posts that I don't do live. So I want to tell you the way I do that is this. And you can even do this for your 3 posts. You could schedule everything. It's scheduling. I schedule my social media. So introducing socialpilot.co. There are other things out there that are just as good in different ways. I'm going to show you 2 today that work for me. And I'm going to show you the pricing. But Social Pilot is one of them. You can take Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google, Pinterest, whatever. And for me, it's primarily just Facebook, Twitter, and all those guys. You can automate and schedule all of your activity on those. So let's say that you're putting up 3 posts a day. Remember I said you got to do 3 to 5. If you want to be really successful, put 7 to 10 posts on Facebook a day. That way you get seen in news feeds somewhere and somebody interacts, you get some kind of activity and then you get it done. Well, if you do this through this, then you can actually put up the live post you're doing, like a Facebook Live, and then you could put up like once a week, and then you could put up a couple Instagrams a week that are from your phone that have your clients in it or whatever, or something on it that you didn't schedule. The rest of it you can have automated here. You don't have to sit around and do this every day. So schedule a boatload of them out, to the future. So here's Social Pilot. This is to show you what Social Pilot costs. Now, it's kind of expensive for Social Pilot. I'll show you a cheaper one later. It's individuals $100 a year, and it's pretty much $10, $12 a month, $15 a month tops. But you're able to do all these different things on it. You can put 10 social media accounts and whatever. It's pretty awesome. So let me tell you, I use it. I pay the 15 bucks a month. It's worth it to me, okay? So that's for me. Now what you do is when you go in here, you can actually go into this area and add all of your different accounts. And inside of your accounts, you can actually then go in and you can schedule stuff. So let's say I want to add a post to a lot of different places. I add a post, and watch this, one post, and I can put it all over the place. I can go 1, 2, 3. Now I can only do one Twitter at a time now. I can put it in here, here. Look, I can put it on all my social media, and then I can do da-da-da-da-da, and I want it to go out, and then I can schedule it to go in the future. I have done this with a lot of stuff. I've got a boatload of stuff that's always running. So let me show you what I've got going. Let's see if I can find it. I'm not used to being in here. Content and feed. Let's see. No, that's not what I want. Posts. Manage posts. Look, I have 3,243 posts going on. As a matter of fact, some of my stuff I've set up to recapture and then put it in the future for stuff. So I have all of these posts on all these different places going and reposting. Look at that. It captured an Instagram. It's putting it up on another G Plus page, a Google Plus page. It captured a video. It's putting it up on Google Plus here. It captured this video. It's putting it up on another Twitter account. Do you see how this works? I've automated all of this through here. Some stuff I put in as content like this, and it goes out at a date in the future. So I pulled it in through a CSV file and converted it like an Excel spreadsheet. You can do that. You can pull it in through an RSS feed. So if you pull it off of a website, and then it can convert it automatically. This actually happens. You can set things in the future, like I have these ads or these pictures that are forever ago from Instagram that are reposting here. This makes you get much more visibility, so that's very good. So then, you don't have to just use IFTT. You can actually do this and set up your posts on Facebook into the future. Now I've got some errors here. I can go in here, it takes care of the errors. Look at that. I'm going to add to queue, put it right back in there. Add to queue, add to queue. You get it? Boom, I'm putting it back in. So there you go. All these errors are going back in. Select all, and then I'm going to do add to queue, right? So you see how it works. It's really cool. You can see unscheduled ones that haven't been scheduled yet. These should be scheduled, right? I can share now. Look at that. Isn't this cool, guys? It's very easy to do. I mean, this takes all of the hard work out of it and then makes it easy. So your posts become easier. You can just go in here and do whatever. So then you can go in, if you want to add a post to all of them, you add a post to all of them, you schedule it in there, and it's in the future. Do that for one day. Schedule out your entire next 6 months, and you're set. Use images you have. Now listen, it won't do Instagram the way you want it to. So I found another way to do Instagram. Buffer is free for these 3 or 4 accounts. So I have an Instagram, 2 Facebook pages in here. You could just do buffer. Check it out. You can upgrade for more features, or you can just do 3. You don't need much. So what I would do for you guys is do your Facebook profile and your Instagram and then a Twitter and use buffer. Cool thing about Instagram, it places these up live. Other cool thing about this buffer for Instagram, if you use Instagram business, and I can show you how to convert an Instagram business in a later video, but if you convert your Instagram through your settings to business, it will auto post in the future. And if you set up IFTTT to work, when that post goes up, it goes to all your other social media. Are you getting me? Can you hear me now? Boom. You can put all kinds of other posts up here through your Facebook, and then you can, if you've got your Twitter going on, which I've got another Facebook page, you can do that here. I've done it in 2 places, Social Pilot and here. My Social Pilot's just running all the time. I don't worry about it. I leave it going, and then over here I do my buffer. So that's it. This is how you schedule out everything for like 6 months to even a year ahead, folks. I've scheduled a lot of year ahead. Here's the cool thing. Both of these can actually be done from your mobile device, not just your desktop. So if you set up Buffer app on your mobile device, you can do Instagram pictures right there, put them in your Buffer app, and then put them in your Instagram here, and they will go live, and your Facebook. Are you hearing me? Same thing for Social Pilot. So that's that, folks. I just want to tell you, that's the automation I use. That's what you can do, and I'm encouraging you to at least use Buffer app, get your Instagram set up, let it go in the future, and then only do certain amounts of posts right from your phone, like your Facebook Live and those Instagram pictures that your clients send you. They're just absolutely awesome, and you're set. All right, there it is. Sign up for Buffer app. It's free for those 3 accounts or 4 accounts, and then Social Pilot if you want to go hardcore for any other business you're doing. For you guys who are coaches, at least use Buffer app. For everyone else, Social Pilot is rocking awesome. All right, I'm crashing this, so let's go.